Hello, I'm John Barboza. Thanks for tuning in. Habits can be pretty tough to break. My weakness is chocolate. And when I begin thinking about heading out to the store to buy a family pack of chocolate candy, I know what I need to do in order to stop the thoughts before they spiral out of control. The end of this month is Halloween, and the shelves are packed with all kinds of candy. But I've already conditioned my mind to eliminate the thinking of and consumption of candy for the rest of this month. And I'm actually excited about it because it's something that I'm looking forward to successfully completing. I know I can easily do this because of my positive frame of mind, my outlook. And I'm not worried about obstacles because I refuse to let anything interfere with my plan. Any type of temptation will immediately be dealt with by quickly reminding myself to remember how excited I am about being successful with this. I have several things I accomplish on a monthly basis, and I keep a log of how I'm doing so that I can visually see the progress. So if you have a habit that you are ready to get rid of, that you're ready to break free from, ready to cut all ties with, then make a promise to yourself. Commit yourself and log your daily results on a calendar at the beginning and end of each day. And feel free to start and end your day by listening to this recording so that you can remain motivated to easily and successfully break free of the habit. So take a nice, deep breath. Hold it for a few seconds and close your eyes as you exhale. And when you continually do the same thing over and over, you are creating a habit. And habits are formed through repetition. Good habits and bad habits are created through repetition. And when you do something that you enjoy, your brain releases dopamine. And when you stop doing that behavior, your brain seeks out that activity because it enjoys that dopamine feeling. And so you may find yourself continually doing that activity even though you no longer enjoy doing it. You may find yourself doing this behavior at certain times, perhaps maybe when you are bored or stressed, or when you're driving, or when you're on the phone. Any one of these things can trigger you to engage in that habit. So it's important to recognize what the triggers are that cause you to continue with the behavior. And once you make yourself aware of the triggers, create a plan to avoid the triggers that tempt you into engaging in the negative habit. And when you start thinking about doing the activity, convince yourself to replace that activity with something else that you enjoy doing. And every time you replace the negative behavior with a new positive activity, you are creating a new positive habit. And put a plan in place so that if you are confronted with any obstacle that causes you to think about giving up or giving in, immediately deal with the temptation by consciously thinking it through and reminding yourself about your plan. Take a look at your calendar logs for inspiration and come back to this recording. So take a few moments to digest this information and in your mind, create a plan, a strategy to break the bad habit and replace it with a new, exciting, enjoyable, healthy behavior. And once you've given it some thought, imagine seeing yourself successfully following through, breaking free from the old unnecessary bad habit, and being and feeling happy, healthy, and in control. So take a nice deep breath now and open your eyes and welcome back. I'm John Barboza. This is Hypnotism 101, and I'll see you soon.